Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw leads from Instantly. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw leads from Instantly, start by logging into your Instantly account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Leads section on your dashboard. Click on the Leads tab to access your lead database. You will see a list of leads that you have generated. To select leads for withdrawal, use the checkboxes next to each lead. You can also select all leads by checking the box at the top of the list. After selecting the desired leads, look for the Actions button. Click on the Actions button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Export Leads. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to choose the file format. You may typically choose between CSV or Excel formats. Select your preferred format for the lead export. Once selected, click the Export button. The system will now prepare your leads for download. A progress indicator may appear, showing the export status. Once the export is complete, a download link will be provided. Click on the download link to save the file to your computer. Open the downloaded file to review your leads. Ensure all information is accurately exported as intended. You have now successfully withdrawn leads from Instantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.